How to buy Hello token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on COINEX. In order to buy this token, what you need to do, just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address sits under the Ethereum network. Now open your Biscuit wallet for that if you use it. Select the Ethereum as a network from here. Click on this plus icon. It's the token address, as you can see. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added. So this is our token. As you can see, click on it. Now here, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So wait a few seconds, as you can see. So this is how much you receive. And after that, this is a simple click on buy now or swap, and you will be able to buy this token in your wallet. So this is how to buy a Hello token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.